Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Visuals and welcome back to another video, guys. And in today's video, guys, we're going to be unboxing the Logitech Pop Keys keyboard, guys. It's one of the new keyboards that has just got released from Logitech. And yeah, I happened to get it. So one more thing, guys, I just want to give a big shout out to SY and Link, guys, for doing my channel revamp and my Twitter banner. Go follow him on Instagram at SYNLink. And yeah, guys, Link, I appreciate you for doing that. And yeah, guys, let's get right into the video. Alright, guys, so here's the keyboard, guys, and here's a look at it if you guys don't see the box. I've already opened it because, yeah, I've already used it, whatever. But, well, I've only used it for a couple, like, minutes. Oh, fucking focus. Shit, I should have probably waited till it focuses. But yeah, we're gonna open it up from the sides right here. It opens up like this, and I want you to open like this. It says "Get Expressive" right here, and personality that pops right here. And then this design on the box is pretty nice. I really like this design. Of course, I had to get the purple one. They have a yellow one and a red one too, but of course I had to get the purple one because, you know, I like purple. But this is the keyboard right here. They have this stuff. They have it wrapped up really nice, actually. And now I'm just gonna have to do this real quick because, you know, it's pretty hard to get out the box. But this is a keyboard. It's actually really heavy. It's a really solid keyboard though, and it's really heavy. I like it. It's pretty nice. This is the box inside. All the instructions. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, you plug it into your computer and it connects. And yeah, the instructions are right here. Oh, I don't know why you even need these, but you know, just in case, man. Right here, there's keys. It comes with 4 extra keys, and then this is, oh, I can't really see. I'm not trying to get over in my camera, but right here, it's an extra. Oh no, I'm slow. This is the adapter that you plug into your PC, and then these are your 4 extra keys right here. A thumbs up key, a heart key, and then you get like this weird looking key. I don't know what the hell it is. And then you get this key right here. It's kind of dope. Alright, so I'm gonna get this out the way. Let me show you guys. Alright, let me not lose that adapter because I'm actually gonna need that. So it's pretty simple. You open it up right here. Get that out the way. Open this up. Open this up. Boom. Keyboard. It's really solid. And it's a really nice keyboard. I've been using it. It has brown switches, I think cherry brown switches in it. It's pretty nice. I really freaking like it. You got the switch on the side. Oh yeah, you got the switch on the side right there to turn off and on. Then right here, you know, it's open. It's open design. Open design. It's got a built-in like a rest on the back right here. This is the better thing. When you get it, sorry, I was just talking low as fuck right there. But when you get it, it's going to have a thing you're going to pull out, and then it will turn on. But I'm going to go ahead and turn on and give you guys a sound test of these Cherry MX Browns. Alright, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. This keyboard's pretty nice. I really like it. It's wireless. I forgot to say that back in the other, you know. Yeah, it's wireless. It's pretty nice. I like it. It's a good keyboard. Logitech did pretty damn good on it. But yeah, guys, I'd probably give this keyboard, like, for me, probably like a 8.5, because I'm used to duckies and stuff like that, so it's different for me. I'm probably just gonna be using this for when I'm just like chilling on my PC and stuff, you know. But yeah, guys. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be doing a new welcome to my channel video and some more content. Maybe with some Modern Warfare 2 coming out soon, maybe. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.